Hello crafty friends! In this video I'm going to make a card using the parameters from this week's Craft Roulette. I don't feel like I needed to stretch them at all this week. Let's find out. Today's card I chose the color scheme first. I went to Google and I googled fall bird feeders and this little picture came up. And then I went to my fall category of my digital kits and I printed out a bunch of pieces that I first created on the computer and then printed out to build my card. Here are the sizes that I cut all these little pieces to build my card with. This is actually a really quick card. It took me a bit longer because I designed some of it on my computer because I always get an image in my head and I have to do it. I can't just seem to use what I have. All the papers I used as is. I just printed them out and then I used a piece of craft paper. I wanted the white piece that's going to be essentially the inside of the card where you would write your message to line up with that piece of craft paper. So that was my little trick, to line it up and put the glue on and then close it in the reverse way. The next panel I added was, which is essentially a 4x6 journaling card. I happened to design it with the sunflowers and paper that were in this digital kit. I combined them all in Illustrator and made my own journaling card. I also designed the title with the alpha that comes with the kit and the grass, and the little scarecrow with his polka dot pants, and the little crow. I cut them all out using Cricut Design Space. Hey, just a quick reminder, please like and subscribe. Thank you! And I decided I wanted to pop them both up on foam squares using my trusty go-to foam squares from Dollar Tree. I have a bunch of other brands, but this one seems to always be my go-to because I can cut it. It's a good size. It's not super high, but it's not real low either. So I've been really happy with these. And I just cut them to the sizes I need with my adhesive scissors that are marked with a red handle. The backs come off really fairly easy, and I don't struggle with them, but I find them to be just sticky enough that they don't fall off the cards. My last step included my cat. She had to get involved with me adding my Winkastella to the word fall, the patches, and his little stripe on his hat and his little collar. She literally sits on top of me every time I'm in my craft room. Alright, let's go over the parameters. We got a Dutch door opening, check. Cat in the video, check. Oh wait, that's not part of it. Element, October. I used Scarecrow. Colors, fall bird feeder. And then random polka dots, polka dot pants. I think I did it, and I don't think it stretched much at all. And if you like that fall card, here are 2 other videos where I make some fall cards. Thanks so much for watching. Have a crafty day.